We're gonna fit a sub like this one in between these seats. See, it's just not that easy. You might be asking, why is it such a big job to fit a sub in a supercar? You see, most of the time subs are fitted into the boot, or as Americans call it, trunk. So in a supercar like this Lamborghini, the boot area is occupied by the engine, so there's not really a place to put a sub in the car like this.
Wait, so if you normally put it in the boot, wouldn't it be the same as putting it in the front?
One thing is, you won't have any boot space left. Another thing is, you won't really hear it as much because there's just so much in between you and the sub. You see, subs are big, bulky, and they need a lot of space to perform well. So it's physically impossible to put a normal size sub in here. And only because of that, using new technology, engineers were able to produce lower profile, slimmer subs built for the supercar market. But the problems don't end there.
What else?
Sub boxes. Obviously. If you've ever seen a sub in a car, you've probably noticed that they come in a cube box and it's big. Try fit that in a supercar.
Why do you need the box? Can't you just fit it without the box?
No. One thing you might be thinking is you could just mount the sub into a panel to separate the waves. However, you lose a lot of volume this way, so that's why we build a sealed box, because it traps the air inside, and that way it helps push everything towards the front, making it even louder. We know we need a box, but can't fit those big cube style ones into a supercar. So we're going to make a custom one to fit in between the seats, but also we need to design it in such a way so it doesn't stand out and blends into the interior. For that we use MDF wood because it's easy to work with and very durable. It's dense and thick, which helps bring out the best quality from your subwoofer rather than a thinner board that would allow the sound to resonate and distort. As a final step, we work on cosmetics to make it look awesome. And we always match the look of the box to the interior of the car, all while using the best quality materials on the market. And look at the final result. That's how you properly fit a sub in a supercar. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to hear how that Lambo sounded, make sure you click up here. And if you're a BMW fan, see how I spec'd up my BMW M5 by clicking up the link down here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.